Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Are you looking for a new project to tackle? Why not make your very own epoxy and wood coffee table? If you're anything like me, you probably love the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and unique for your home. And let me tell you, this project is sure to check all those boxes. There's something special about creating furniture with your own two hands that can't be matched by simply buying it in a store. Not only does it add a personal touch to your home, but it's also a great way to impress your friends and family. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding project that will leave you with a sense of accomplishment once it's done. Now, let's talk about the main feature of this project, the epoxy resin. Epoxy is a versatile and durable material that can be used to create stunning designs when combined with wood. It's perfect for coffee tables, as it's resistant to scratches and spills, and can be customized to fit any style. Whether you're going for a rustic look with a live-edge slab of wood or a modern vibe with a sleek and simple design, epoxy can help you achieve it. But where to start? First things first, you'll need to gather some materials. You'll need some wood for the tabletop, some epoxy resin, and some tools like a saw, drill, and sandpaper. We'll get into my step-by-step process to walk you through, and you can adjust the project to your skill level. I remember the first time I made a piece of furniture for my home, and how intimidated I was by the thought of it. But once I got started, I found that it was a lot easier than I thought it would be, and I even got to learn some new skills along the way. And the best part is that when it was finished, I got to sit back and admire my work with pride. So what are you waiting for? Grab some wood, some epoxy, and a few tools, and get started on your very own epoxy and wood coffee table. It's a project that's sure to bring a smile to your face every time you look at it. Don't worry if you're feeling a bit intimidated. With some helpful tips, planning, and patience, you'll be able to make an impressive coffee table that will be the envy of all your guests. First things first, let's talk about the basics. You've got to start with selecting the right materials. When it comes to picking the perfect wood slab, there are a few things you should consider. Do you want something that has a lot of natural grain or something that's more uniform in color? Do you want to use a specific type of wood or go with something that's readily available? The options are endless. Here are some steps to follow for selecting the perfect wood slab. Determine the size of your table. This will help you choose the right size slab. Look for a reputable supplier or local sawmill to find a quality wood slab. Choose the type of wood that suits your design style and preference. Consider the shape and edges of the slab. Natural edges can give the table a live-edge look, while straight edges can create a more contemporary style. Check for any cracks, knots, or imperfections in the wood slab before purchasing it. Now that you've selected the perfect wood slab, it's time to choose the right kind of epoxy. There are different types of epoxy resins, so it's essential to pick one that's suited to your specific project. Here are some tips to help you select the right epoxy. Choose a high-quality epoxy resin that is clear and has a high gloss finish. Pick an epoxy with a long working time, especially if it's your first time working with it. Make sure the epoxy is UV resistant, so it doesn't yellow over time. Check the mixing ratio to make sure you get the right consistency for your project. Once you have your materials, you're ready to start crafting your epoxy and wood coffee table. Stay tuned for the next steps, and we'll have you well on your way to a beautiful, personalized coffee table that will be the envy of your guests. Planning the design of your coffee table is one of the most important steps, but don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. Here's how to do it in just a few easy steps. Think about the size and shape of your wood slab. The size and shape of the wood slab will determine the size and shape of your coffee table, so choose wisely. You want to make sure that it fits nicely in your living room and complements the other furniture. Determine the height of your coffee table. The height of your coffee table is important for comfort and functionality. You don't want your coffee table to be too low or too high. Take a seat on your couch and measure the distance between the floor and the seat cushions to determine the perfect height. Consider the overall style and design. You want to make sure that your coffee table fits in with the overall style and design of your living room. For example, if you have a modern living room, you might want to choose a sleek, minimalist design for your coffee table. Add any additional features. Do you want your coffee table to have storage space, or do you want to add decorative elements such as metal legs or additional wood pieces? Add any additional features to your design plan. Remember, take your time with the planning phase and make sure the design is functional as well as beautiful. And don't be afraid to get creative and add your personal touch to the design. Oh, it's getting to the fun part now. It's time to create our very own epoxy and wood coffee table. Here are the steps to get you started. Make sure you have all the necessary tools. You don't want to get halfway through the project and realize you're missing an essential tool. So, double check that you have all the tools you need, including a sander, saw, clamps, and of course, your epoxy resin. You can even make a checklist if that helps you keep track of everything. Sand the wood slab. Sanding the wood slab is an important step in preparing the wood for the epoxy. You want to make sure the surface is smooth, clean, and free from any debris. If the wood is too rough, the epoxy may not adhere properly, and you could end up with a less than perfect finish. Prepare the epoxy. The instructions on the epoxy are crucial, so make sure you read and follow them carefully. Mixing the epoxy incorrectly can result in a poor finish or even a sticky mess, so take your time and be patient. Apply the epoxy. Once the epoxy is ready, you can apply it to the wood slab. Be sure to apply it evenly, and don't forget to cover the edges. It's essential to work in a well-ventilated area and to wear protective gear such as gloves and a mask. Let it cure. Once you've applied the epoxy, you'll need to let it cure for several days. It's crucial not to rush this step, as the curing process is what gives the epoxy its strength and durability. Keep the coffee table in a dry, dust-free area while it cures. Sand and finish. Once the epoxy has cured, you can sand the surface to get a smooth finish. Then, apply a final finish to protect the wood and the epoxy from scratches and damage. And voila! You have yourself a beautiful, unique epoxy and wood coffee table that you can be proud of. Remember, take your time, be patient, and most importantly, have fun with it. Let's do a quick recap to make sure we're all on the same page. I know I'm pretty clear and all, but just in case you missed something while daydreaming about drinking coffee on your fancy new table, let's run through the steps together. Choose a wood slab. Find a wood slab that's the right size for your coffee table. Make sure it's thick enough to hold the weight of the epoxy and anything you might place on the table. Cut the wood. Cut the wood to the desired size and shape for your coffee table. Use a table saw or circular saw to cut the wood slab to the desired size. Make sure you wear protective eyewear and use a saw blade that's appropriate for cutting wood. Sand the wood. Sand the wood with a coarse sandpaper to remove any rough edges or splinters. Then use a fine sandpaper to smooth the surface of the wood. Create the form. Build a form out of melamine, foam, or any other material you have on hand. The form will contain the epoxy resin while it cures. Make sure the form is slightly larger than the size of the wood slab, as the epoxy will add some thickness to the table. Mix the epoxy. Mix the epoxy resin according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure to measure the resin and hardener precisely and mix thoroughly. Pour the epoxy. Pour the epoxy into the form, making sure it's spread evenly over the bottom. Place the wood slab on top of the epoxy and press down to ensure it's level and secured. Add additional layers. Add additional layers of epoxy until you reach your desired thickness. Allow the epoxy to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. Remove the form. Once the epoxy has cured, remove the form and sand the edges of the epoxy to smooth out any rough spots. Apply finish. Apply a finish to the wood surface. A clear coat of polyurethane is a popular choice. Attach legs. Finally, attach legs to the coffee table. Make sure the legs are securely fastened and leveled. So, what do you think? Are you up for the challenge of making your very own epoxy and wood coffee table? Don't be afraid to get creative, make it your own, and enjoy the journey of creating something beautiful for your home. Now, I'm going to answer some frequently asked questions about making a beautiful live edge wood coffee table with epoxy. So, let's start with the basics. A live edge wood coffee table is a type of coffee table that features a natural edge on the wood rather than a straight, manufactured edge. It's a beautiful and unique piece that can really make a statement in your living room. Now, you might be wondering, can you make an epoxy and wood coffee table with any type of wood? The answer is yes. Technically, you can use any type of wood, but it's best to use a hardwood like oak, maple, or walnut. These woods are more durable and will hold up better with the epoxy finish. And, of course, the big question, how long does it take to make an epoxy and wood coffee table? Well, the answer is, it depends. The length of time it takes to make a coffee table depends on the complexity of the design and your skill level. It could take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. But, trust me, the end result will be worth the effort. So there you have it. I hope these answers helped you get a better understanding of what it takes to make your own live edge wood coffee table with epoxy. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And, as always, happy crafting! Thanks for watching this video on how to make an epoxy and wood coffee table. I hope you found it helpful and entertaining. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you never miss any of my future woodworking videos. And hey, if you're like me and you're always on the hunt for new woodworking projects to tackle, then do yourself a favor and click the link in the video description. It will take you to a website where you can access instantly 16,000 woodworking plans for any project you have in mind. Seriously, this is the motherlode of woodworking plans, so if you want to take your woodworking game to the next level, make sure to check it out. Plus, by clicking the link, you'll also be supporting this channel, and I'll be able to continue making more fun and informative videos for you guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.